Good morning, everyone. This is my discussion about the topic that I choose is how to prevent COVID-19. Coronavirus disease or COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a new coronavirus. Most people who will have luck will experience non-severe symptoms and recover, but others will experience serious illness, especially the elderly and those with pre-existing illnesses. Here are some steps or simple steps you can take to protect the health of you and others. The steps can be followed by everyone, but they are only if you live in an area with COVID-19. First, wash your hands often. Practice throughout hands cleaning with alcohol-based hand sanitizer or wash with soap and water. Why? We always use our hands to touch things that may be contaminated. We may not be aware that we are holding our face. The virus has been transmitted to the eyes, nose, and mouth, and we are already infected. Viruses that may be in your contaminated hand, including the new coronavirus, are killed by washing your hands with the soap and water or using an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Second, avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. We often hold our hands unconsciously. Be vigilant about it and avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Why? Many hold hands and it can get viruses. When the hand is contaminated, the virus is transmitted to the eyes, nose, and mouth, and can be enter the body and cause illnesses. 3 steps. Cover your cough and sneeze. Make sure you and the people around you are following proper respiratory hygiene. This means covering the mouth and nose with the inside of the elbow or tissue when coughing or sneezing. Immediately throw the used tissue in the covered trash can and wash your hands. Why? If a person coughs or is a woman rather, a small droplet is expelled from the nose and mouth that may contain the virus. Covering up your cough or sneeze prevents the spread of viruses and germs to the others. By using the inside of elbow or tissue and not your hand to cough or sneeze, the transfer of the contaminated droplet to your hand is prevented. As a result, the transmission of the virus to people or object is prevented. Steps number 4. Avoid crowded places and close contact with people with a fever or cough. Avoid crowded places, especially if you are over 60 or have a history of illnesses such as high blood, diabetes, heart and lung disease, or cancer. Keep at least 1 meter away from you and anyone with a fever or a cough. Why? COVID-19 is mainly spread by a droplet that comes out from the mouth or nose when a person coughs or sneezes. By avoiding crowded places, you keep yourself away at least 1 meter from people who may have COVID-19 or anyone else with the diseases. Step number 5. Stay at home if you are sick. Stay home if you feel sick, even if it is just a fever and cough. Why? By staying indoors and not going to work or other places, you will heal faster and prevent the disease from spreading to other people. Steps number 6. If you have a fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, consult immediately but call the health facility first. If you have a fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, consult early if possible. Call the hospital first or health center to let you know where you are going. Why? This will be help ensure that the advice you are giving is correct, that you are referring to the right health facility. And that you avoid infecting rather to others. Steps number 7. Get information from trusted authorities. Find out the latest information about COVID-19 from trusted articles. Make sure the information is from reliable spokesperson or the Department of Health or World Health Organization or your local health worker. Everyone should know the symptoms. Mostly COVID-19 starts with a fever and dry cough. Why? Local and national authorities know the latest information on whether COVID-19 is spreading in your area. They are the one who knows best what the right advice you should be given in your area so that people can protect themselves. That's the end of my discussions about how to prevent COVID-19. I hope you get some lessons of what I said earlier. That's all. Thank you. To be safe from the COVID-19 virus, get vaccinated to keep your health and the health of your family safe.